Show up, stand out, exhibit where innovation meets opportunity. At the ProStep IWIP Symposium 2026.
In challenging times, a fully booked exhibition space.
Connect with global leaders, innovators, and decision makers shaping the software-defined industry.
The community comes together.
We build a strong foundation for future success.
2 days that spark collaboration, drive business, and create lasting partnerships.
And here are all the customers, so we have to be here.
Of course, the booth is the main collaboration meeting point.
Present your brand at the heart of digital transformation, where technology meets strategy and ideas meet results.
You have so many partners here and you can directly exchange ideas, and this is the right place to grow.
Gain recognition.
Great opportunities to network.
Build trust.
In Japan, so there are no events. ProStep Symposium is a very unique, very important event for Japanese people.
And turn conversations into real opportunities.
The quality of the potential customers is very good.
Showcase your innovation. Join the movement. Book your booth now and be part of the next frontier.
Really much looking forward to having you in 2026 in Frankfurt.